Guys, I got a package. I was getting a buy one get one free offer, and there's no way I'm refusing to that. So here we are.
Let's get unboxing.
Bubble wrap and also doll. That's so cool. Yeah, the packaging is a bit destroyed, but who cares if you have the doll perfectly alright condition. So this was not disappointing at all. It was my first purchase from that website, so I was a bit tensed. Let me give you a closer look to the packaging. We're gonna unbox this one first. Oh, she's gorgeous. I love her necklace. Can't say anything about the dress, sorry. But look at her. And you guys. Woo. So this is the perfect one for this. So she can...
Look at that. Would you look at that?
Let's settle her down like this so she can chill and watch us unbox the accessories, which are basically shoes. But I'm fine. I don't have shoes. Ooh, oh. Okay. Now that's it with our first doll. This one. I love her outfit. Oh my god. Wow, I don't know why. Comparing to this one, she is a lot more like nice. I don't know why. Don't you guys think? Totally my style. With the silver hair, of course. I love silver hair. Loving the blue one too, but there's something with this one. It came off a little too easily. Now I knew the packaging was not right. Let's get it out of the socks. I don't like socks. Both our dollies can hang out in a couch like this, or now we have to move on to the accessories. Let's do that. They have different color shoes, I believe. No, there's not. Oh no, they're the same one except the orange one. I didn't get the orange one like I did in the previous one. And also the blue ones are new. And the rest are the same. That's okay. Guys, I am worried about these shoes. I have 4 pairs and I don't even know if I can put them on. Let's try it out. And they go. Come on. Oh no. 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 I don't want to break them, and they're stuck. It's stuck. Oh no. Bit disappointing, but I'm sure they're gonna fit my other dolls because they have more thin legs. Now that we unboxed everything, this is the time when these two join our doll group. And as I said, the rest of the shoes are gonna fit my other dolls.